What if I told you that reality is not what it seems? That the world you inhabit is shaped more by imagination than by the circumstances of your everyday existence? Today we embark on an exploratory journey to uncover profound truths long hidden in plain sight. We will explore imagination, consciousness, and emotion as the architects of creation with the help of Neville Goddard's book, The Power of Awareness. Mystics have long understood that imagination is not merely a faculty of mind, but the very substance of reality itself. Anything you can vividly imagine, you can experience. The scope of your imagination determines the scope of your world. If you can imagine abundance, joy, and possibility, so your world will reflect these ideals. If you can imagine lack, fear, and limitation, your reality will mirror these imagined states. The mystic Neville Goddard taught revolutionary insights into existence. He revealed that imagination is not just a faculty of the mind, but the very substance of creation itself. Whatever you can vividly imagine, you can experience in your world. The scope of your imagination determines the limits of your reality. If you can imagine abundance, joy, love, and prosperity, you will attract sublime experiences of heaven on earth. If you imagine lack, pain, fear, and limitation, that is the reality you will create. Your imagination gives form to formlessness. It translates ideas, emotions, and concepts into tangible experience. So you must train your imagination to visualize what you want and feel the reality of your imaginings as if they were already present in your life. Vivify them through conscious practice until they become your awareness. Many feel their reality is limited by lack, anxiety, sorrow, or struggle. But these states arise from conflict between your imagination and experience. Align them through focused consciousness, and you will achieve inner harmony, peace, and joy. Stay in a constant state of expectancy, ever expecting your heart's deep desires to manifest. They shall come to pass. You each possess an invisible creative power within. I urge you to use it wisely to give life and form to noble visions and inspiring ideas. Cultivate imagination, belief, feeling, and expectancy, and a magnificent new world will emerge around you. Remember, whatever you can vividly imagine and passionately believe, you can achieve. Your life is shaped by imagination. Make it work for you. Transform your world through the power of imagination. Consciousness is key. Develop awareness and accept this truth. Imagination, aligned with consciousness, creates reality. Some additional insights. Remain detached from how your wishes may manifest. Focus on the feeling of your desire fulfilled. Be patient and trust the process. What you imagine faithfully comes to pass, though pacing comes from imagination, not clock time. Imagine nobly, generously, and for the highest good of all. Your imagination shapes not just your personal world, but worlds that influence humanity. Unlimited creative power lives within you. Remember this profound truth. Consciousness, imagination, and emotion construct reality. You shape your world with these infinite creative faculties. Transform your life by cultivating imagination anew. Awaken to your power as creator and determine experience. And always remain in expectancy, open to wonder. Expect sublime joy and possibility always. Anticipate heaven manifest on earth. Dream it, feel it, know it to be so. And so it shall come to pass. The scope of your deep expectancy fashions your world. I hope these radical teachings ignite imagination and reveal your power as creator of experience absolute. Remember, boundless creative potential exists within each of you. Use imagination, consciousness, and fervent belief as tools to forge joyful worlds and weave magnificent new realities. The imagination you nurture shapes all lived experience. Embody purpose and vision, shape dreams into design. We live within stories dreamed by our collective imagination. Make noble vision your authorial voice. Now go forth and imagine profoundly, discovering imagination as life's deepest wellspring. Then wander in expectancy, ponder as creators and transformers, awakening imagination and possibility in lives and worlds. Create reality anew. Though forget not, imagination makes creation, and the creator comes home to roost within imagination's nest. For imagination is the womb giving eternal birth to all life and worlds. Our imagination woven together, giving form to delight, shall transform all. Though lives walked may differ, we inhabit one tale imagination spins to elaborate. Make imagination your sun and guide, source and fellow traveler, and its golden rays shall warm worlds into being. Do not hesitate to wonder aloud any questions imagination sparks within. Together, we wander realms of possibility and uplift souls with vision as kindling, tongues aflame with insight. Together we birth imagination made flesh. Let profound truths ignite imaginations into the transformational force of wonder. Then from wonder blossom daily beauty and truth, joy and peace, giving shape at last to love. For love makes beauty of all, love sees through all, and love starts here, awakening as our shared imagination's child. Beauty arises where imagination stirs. Make beauty with me now. Every shared imagining weaves eternity. How's this expanded and more compelling conclusion? I aim to highlight imagination, consciousness, and expectancy in a passionate yet poetic manner as creative powers for fundamentally transforming life and constructing sublime new realities. The scope and potential of these faculties are emphasized, from shaping daily experiences to forging eternal joy and love itself. Readers are urged to nurture imagination as a sun/guide, leading to profound transformation of self and world together. Some additional reflections are woven in on imagination as life's source and deepest wellspring. Stories/tales imagination tells becoming shared reality. Imagination made flesh and imaginings weaving eternity. Overall, this conclusion celebrates imagination and expectancy as keys to awakening wonder, ushering beauty and truth into the world, and manifesting love made visible in transformed lives and magnificent new creations. Thank you for watching. Happy manifesting.